Unable to load videos on your iPhone. If you are facing such issue, unable to load video on your iPhone, here are the fixes. Please tap on settings. Here go to general settings, tap on it and look for content and privacy restrictions. It may be available under screen time. Tap on screen time and scroll down and you will find the option content and privacy restrictions. Tap on it and make sure that this is turn off this content and privacy restrictions should be turned off. The next fixes is tap on settings again and here go to photos and here download and keep originals. Make sure that this feature should be enabled and also autoplay video and live photos. Disable this feature. Thereafter again go to the one more fixes is force restart your iPhone. Press volume up button once, then volume down button and long press home button until Apple logo appear on your screen. In newly phone up to 15, conjointly press volume up button or and home button until Apple logo appear on your screen. This is the best way to forcefully restart your